Yep, you seen the title, you seen that thumbnail. We doing Cheddar Ranch chicken burgers. You gonna love this one. Let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let's do a quick roll call. So back here we have our ground chicken. We have our buns right here. So guys, I'm gonna use some wheat buns, some fresh made wheat buns here. You can use whatever type of bun you want, it's totally up to you. We have some shredded Colby Jack. Guys, you want the thinly shredded cheese, plain breadcrumbs. We have some bacon slices here, some diced onions, some chopped garlic, package of dry ranch seasoning, an egg, kosher salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is a very simple recipe. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna add all the ingredients we got right into this bowl. So we're gonna start off with our kosher salt, our black pepper, smoked paprika, our ranch seasoning, breadcrumbs, our cheese, onions, and our garlic. Well, let me not say and our garlic because we still gotta add our egg. I know you guys saying, man, it's more ingredients than it is chicken in there. Yeah, it looks like that, but guys, we're gonna start mixing this baby up. And you can mix it with a spoon. Ground chicken always mashes up, and you know, it doesn't have the same texture as ground beef. You wouldn't wanna mix ground beef with a spoon, but with this right here, it's okay to mix with a spoon because like I say, it's gonna all press together. See guys, take a look at that. You see how it's all mixing together, coming together well, just like we expected. But as I was saying, texture of chicken burgers are very different than the texture of ground beef or a regular ground beef patty or burger. This is what we have. So we're gonna go ahead and start making out our patties so we can get them on our cooktop, all right? All right guys, so we're gonna start making our patties out. So I'm gonna take this ice cream scooper and I'm gonna get me I'm probably gonna take about 2 scoops because this is a small, this is not a standard scooper. Actually, this is a biscuit scooper. And I'm gonna take that like that. And I'm going to form me out a patty just like this. And again, guys, you can make these as big or as small as you want. I'm gonna get a little bit more. Oh man, that's perfect size right there. All right, so I'm just gonna sit that right here. I'm gonna create us 2 more. I mean, I got 2 other people here that's waiting on me to finish these up. That's gonna help me eat them. And we're just gonna do the same thing. Gonna press these out like that, just like this. These are nice sizes right here, nice sizes. And if you can hear in the background, I got my air fryer going on toast. Because we're gonna toast these buns. We want these buns toasted for this particular one here. So, all right, so that looks great right there, guys. So like I say, we're just gonna make 3 of them today. I still got a lot here left over. Maybe that could be for tomorrow, but we're gonna start off with 3. All right, so we're gonna move over to our cooktop. All right, so now it's time to get these babies in the frying pan. So what I got right here is we're at our cooktop. I'm just gonna add a little olive oil here at the bottom of the pan. You know, let that heat up. All right, so it looks like we're up to temperature, so we're gonna start adding our patties. And we're gonna let these cook about 5 to 7 minutes per side. All right, so we're gonna give these babies a flip right now. And I'm actually flipping these after about 3 minutes, but I'm gonna flip them back over on the other side. All right, so it looks like we're about 8 minutes in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start removing our patties. I'm just gonna add them here on a plate. Pause this heat. Let's take a look at that patty right there. Oh man. And this is what we have. So let's go ahead and move over to the cutting board so we can start building our burger. All right, let's go. All right, so let's start building our burger out. So let's start with the elephant in the room, which is our ranch dressing. Definitely need that ranch dressing. And I'm gonna just take a little butter knife and I'm just gonna spread it out. around the bun. Next, we're gonna come across that with our tomatoes. These tomatoes are a little bit smaller here. I'm gonna add about 2 slices to each one of them. Oh man, they starting to look too good right now. And guys, you know what's next. Come across that with that bacon. Oh man. And one by one, we're gonna sit our chicken patties on top of it. Just like. And guys, you could come across that lettuce. And now we're just gonna fold that baby up like that. Oh man. All I can say is, there you have it, guys. Cheddar Ranch Chicken Burgers. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Also, I'm gonna leave the measurements and the ingredients. They're all gonna be in the video description below, guys. So go ahead, check it out. And let's go ahead and get into quality control so we can go ahead and taste these babies. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we're back in here for quality control. Man, you know I did my quality control. I didn't have my mic on me. So I'm gonna present you with a burger right here. That's one of them. I'm just gonna let you know I already been starting on this other one over here, so I'm gonna put this one down. I'm gonna go back over to this one right here. That's almost the halfway done. But let me tell you something. I'm just gonna taste it again just for you guys. And I'm gonna tell you exactly what I said. This is delicious. You can't go wrong with cheese, bacon, ranch, and chicken. There's no way you can mess it up. No way you can mess this up. This is definitely a recipe you need to try. Not many ingredients, and it's very simple to make. You just dump everything in there, make your patties, put it in the pan. Man, this is ready in 30 minutes, and you guys will enjoy every bit of it. So, until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, I ain't a chef. I just like to cook, or I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.